It is the loss of oneself. It begins with the realization that I have Alzheimer's.
It's a very slow, cruel disease. A really slow, cruel death.
She cannot dress herself. She cannot feed herself well. She cannot go to the bathroom without assistance.
Alzheimer's disease affects 1 in 8 adults over the age of 65, and sadly, these numbers only continue to grow.
As we recognize that 10 million baby boomers are going to be suffering from Alzheimer's disease.
The mission of Advana Science, headquartered in Seattle, Washington, is to find a way to stop cognitive diseases in their tracks.
The drugs out there are sort of trying to boost out dying neurons, and basically that's not getting at the cause of the disease or the cause of memory impairment, the cause of brain cognitive decline.
Dr. Alan Snow is a leading expert in the field of Alzheimer's research and has studied the underlying cause of Alzheimer's and dementia for more than 20 years, something he and his research teams at Advana Science refer to as amyloid plaque load in the brain.
Everybody will develop amyloid plaques once they reach the age of 20 or 30, and they're all accumulating as we get older, so they're contributing to eventual memory loss, and some of us will actually go on to develop Alzheimer's disease.
Amyloid plaques, they build up in the cells of the brain, and it actually causes the cells to die, and that's what leads to the deficits that occur.
It's a process scientists refer to as aggregation, where amyloid plaques are expressed in high abundance, sticking to one another, forming large structures, which both kill healthy neurons and set off an inflammatory response in the brain.
This is really where we need to focus in terms of solving this puzzle, in terms of getting to disease-modifying treatments.
Experts agree that understanding amyloid brain deposits are key, and that Advana Science has found that nature holds the answer. Natural botanical compounds that not only prevent amyloid buildup in the brain, but also reverse existing damage for those already suffering from cognitive disease.
This compound has been researched for over 12 years, and we found that both in animals and in models of Alzheimer's disease, it was able to not only stop the formation of these devastating plaques, but actually break them apart and remove them from the body.
If you could get rid of this protein or clear it out or allow it to be soluble, then the cells of the brain, the macrophages, are actually able to take it away. Then you have something that's a definite, fantastic therapeutic. And this is exactly what the natural compound is doing.
Advana's compounds not only eliminate brain amyloid deposits, but also decrease the brain's inflammatory response to plaque buildup. And Advana's compounds are now beginning to make their way to the marketplace, with the anticipation to both prevent cognitive decline and help millions of patients already suffering from cognitive disease.
It was amazing to me that this level of success in treating Alzheimer's disease and cognitive impairment can be done from a safe botanical source.
And unlike many other products sold for cognitive health, Advana's natural compounds are backed by years of research and profound scientific studies.
In some of the cognitive tests with the transgenic mice, we're seeing a 60% improvement.
These natural compounds have been amazing. In transgenic animals that actually get amyloid plaque accumulation as these animals are aging, we could see a 50 to 60% reduction in brain amyloid plaque load, and it's correlating with about a 50 to 60% improvement in memory, as shown by Morris water maze testing and probe trials.
Scientific proof that Advana's patented compounds will not only help prevent brain amyloid buildup, but also show ability to reverse existing damage that comes along with age.
For me, the idea of being able to provide something to help not only treat the disease, but actually prevent it in more of a healthy population is incredible.
Even more incredible, Advana's compounds are also showing extreme promise helping with another life-threatening disease, type 2 diabetes.
While the research is very early in this area, it is our hypothesis that one of the core problems with type 2 diabetes is, in fact, it's caused by the amyloid buildup.
Amyloid buildup that kills crucial cells known as beta cells, cells that are found in the pancreas and are key components for healthy insulin production.
Beta cells are absolutely necessary to produce insulin. Without beta cells, you don't make insulin.
Preventative and early-stage solutions for amyloid diseases is the focus of Advana Science, employing a new model and natural solutions for innocent victims of these cruel diseases, illnesses that may one day be an evil of our past.
An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of, here, there you go, very good.
This is going to have a significant impact on society. It's going to really change the way people take vitamins, and I think that this is going to be like a vitamin for the brain.